Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add backgrounds in Microsoft Word, right? And you can do this in other Microsoft applications as well. But let's focus on Word. Now, once you're in Microsoft Word, guys, click File on the left-hand side, and then you want to click on Options. Now, under General, you will find under the section that says Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, right? And from here, you have two options here. You have the option that says Office Theme and also have Office Background. Now, mine is set to None. But if you go ahead and switch this, you realize you have a ton of different options that you can choose from. So let's say you want to make something like 3 rings, you can simply click on that, then click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you will realize that it changes. But for this particular theme of Office, you're not really seeing it clearly at the top. So simply go ahead and click on Files, then click on Options again, and you want to change this from Office Theme Colorful to maybe the white. This will give you a much better visual so that you can see those Office backgrounds. So let me click on OK. If you look at it at the top, it looks really nice, right? And if you click on the files again, I will go back there, go to the options, then you will see that you can change to whatever you want and it will look much better. So let's say I would like to do, for example, lunchbox or school supply. Maybe that one looks good. So school supplies, then click on OK, then have a look at that. Very nice. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and change the background in Microsoft Word. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.